Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Arc token. Name of the token is Arc, ticker symbol is also Arc. This token just got listed recently on a big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Arc is an innovative technology company committed to revolutionizing Web3 through its artificial intelligence-powered reactor, comprehensive decentralized finance ecosystem, and dApp store. So this token just got listed recently on July 28th. This token got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Arc token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ARC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you want to find their Twitter, I'm going to throw that up right here. It is at DEFI_ARC, Defy Arc. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They're doing very well so far. They have 4,542 holders. Fully diluted market cap is a little bit over $3 million. And circulating supply market cap is $2.1 million. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Their Twitter is doing very well. They have 29,400 Twitter followers. On their Twitter, you could find a full link tree up there. If you click on that, that's going to take you to a list of all their socials, webpage, all that type of stuff on there. They have a Telegram that has 1,812 members, so they're doing very well on there. Their official webpage is on their Telegram as well, and their contract address. Arc.market is their webpage. Over there, you can also find a full white paper. It is an 18-page white paper with all sorts of information, very tiny print, all that stuff on there. You could read that for a long time if you want to read in depth. But basically, if you want the cliff notes, go over to their webpage, arc.market. They have a link there to join their Discord, Tokenomics, their ecosystem, all sorts of things on here. It says, build anything, access Web3 anywhere. With Arc's extensive suite of tools, you can find everything you need to build and trade all of Web3. So it says, deploy everything, share everywhere. It's been seen in different news articles like Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, BSC News, CoinWire, Inside Bitcoins, etc. Meet the AI-powered GUI for Web3. So it's AI-powered. The Arc Reactor is revolutionizing the world of code generation with its AI-powered technology. By using advanced algorithms and machine learning, it optimizes for code accuracy while being incredibly lightweight, optimizing for power consumption with the ability to run on low-end hardware. It says, build Web3 like never before. The Arc Reactor is your ultimate tool for building Web3 applications with ease and flexibility. Its AI-powered technology enables a seamless integration with blockchain networks, allowing you to create decentralized applications like never before with unparalleled security and efficiency. Find exploits. So the Arc Reactor's cutting-edge technology enables it to detect and analyze potential system exploits in real time. With its AI-powered algorithms, it can identify vulnerabilities and take proactive measures to prevent cybersecurity attacks, ensuring the security and reliability of your system. Also, deploy to any chain. With Arc Reactor, deploying your decentralized applications to any blockchain network is a breeze. And the dApp store. So Arc Reactor makes it easy to share your decentralized applications with the world, allowing you to publish them to the dApp store. With its AI-powered technology, you can ensure your dApp is secure, reliable, and accessible to a wider audience, opening up new opportunities for growth and innovation. So their DeFi ecosystem offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including a swap, farm, fiat on-ramp, dashboard, enabling seamless access to decentralized finance for users of all levels. So trade all of crypto, farm Arc, and wrapped ETH Arc. KYC only once, seamless experience, and then anytime on their webpage, they have a whole bunch of links. You could just click on Trade Now and start using their applications. So the Arc Reactor makes it easy to share your decentralized applications with the world, allowing you to publish them in the dApp store. You could secure your applications, share and discover industry-leading dApps, and verified by Arc, which is Reactor approval. So how it all ties together, Arc's AI-powered Reactor serves as the backbone of its DeFi ecosystem, powering its tools like a swap, farm, fiat on-ramp, dashboard, enabling developers to create and publish innovative dApps to the Arc dApp store. So you can develop with Reactor, trade with DeFi ecosystem, share with dApp store. And it says, sign up for Reactor Access today. And you can access and gain unprecedented access to AI-powered technologies that streamlines your blockchain operations, maximizes efficiency, and unlocks new possibilities for innovation. Basically, if you go to their webpage, you can see all the links to everything that I just mentioned. Their partners are Chainlink, a developer, DAO, Phantom, AWS. They have tons of other links you can click on there. They have just information strictly about the token. You can use the token basically for governance, gas fees for Reactor, rewards and airdrops, staking, and allows you access to the Arc Reactor, and you can also generate staked Arc. ST Arc is the ticker symbol for that. And you can learn all about staked Arc if you want to. There's tons of information. It goes over circulating supply, 535 million tokens. And, basically there's an unlock schedule. There's a vesting schedule. The tokens split up basically between team, Uniswap liquidity, future investment, seed sale, private sale, public sale, advisors, marketing, staking, ecosystem, and exchanges. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.